7x12 Cargo Conversion Series Step 3. Epoxy floors for durability and a cozy home look. Hello my friends and welcome to the Adventures of Wonder. If you haven't done it yet, click on the subscribe button. By doing it, you are helping me grow this channel and you are also getting notifications on my latest adventures. And thank you very much. I'm gonna do the epoxy. I'm gonna put epoxy on the floors of the camper. Okay. And what I got was this Rust-Oleum epoxy shield. It says garage floor coating kit. I'll just out of the box. Sparkling kit, blue, black, white. It's in secret instructions, and it comes with this. And people believe that this is the anti-squid or the anti-slippery component. No, this is to clean the concrete before in preparation for this. But I don't need this because I am cleaning the camper. It's good. It's not concrete. I got this chip, also Rust-Oleum, the quality color chip. They're just black and white. In addition, I got my Rust-Oleum anti-squid additive. I got me a regular brush, a gray fluid mix. I stick for the roller. The roller that I use is one of these squishy ones. Step number 2, best friend. After starting last night doing epoxy floors, there's a few tips that I need to include in this video. Number 1, I'm wearing socks to walk inside the trailer. So if you're doing the same, have more than a few pairs, let's say 3 pairs of all socks ready to be thrown away. Number 2, have a plan to clean your hands and or feet. Also, hand towels or rags that you use to clean your hands, have plenty and be ready to dispose them, all right? This is how it's turning out to be. I made a mistake and the silicone, the caulking sealant that I got, that I used between the crevices on the planks, on the wooden planks, it was not paintable, it was just fully sealed. So it's kind of like hard to get painted those spots where I have the silicone on. The rest is looking, I don't know, I like that thing. Let's wait and see. I'm doing the ramp. Friends, and this is my final product. Hit me in the comments if you'd like to know what is my biggest regret about this Rust-Oleum epoxy, or in other words, what you should not do. And click the like button if you like the video and stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in a little bit.